I'm Rumi and I can finally relax after hunting those demons. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in.
Help me! I'm getting possessed by a demon!
I'm not just any demon, I'm a twerking demon.
I can't stop twerking!
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for, the best K-pop Demon Hunter God song ever!
K-pop demon hunter god, K-pop demon hunter god, K-pop demon hunter god. I know you really want it. Ruby's got a demon god, Zoe's got a demon god, Mara's got a demon god. I know you really want it. Ruby's got a demon god, Bobby's got a demon god, and Selena's the best character ever, and she's thick.